A severe now in effect. This would be for the area in southern Russell County, the northeastern part of Cumberland County. Again, this is a severe thunderstorm warning. The severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for the following locations. This would include Russell County, central Clinton County, southwestern or northeastern Cumberland County, and southwestern Russell. This is in effect until 11:15 Central Time. That's about another 30 minutes of time. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning has now been issued for the northern part of Cumberland County, southern part of Russell County. This is in effect until 11:15 Central Time this Wednesday evening. One of the odd things about this particular event, that the last month or so, when we've had a threat of severe weather across the area, it seems like Wednesday night is the night that it all unfolds. So again, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for central Clinton County, northwestern or northeastern Cumberland, and southwestern Russell. This is in effect until 11:15 Central Time this evening. Doppler radar indicating this thunderstorm that's moving across the area. As you can see, the track that it's taken, the other polygons, the bright yellow, are the ones that are special weather statements issued by the Weather Service for that particular area. We'll remove those, and then you can see the location and where the severe thunderstorm warning is now impacting. Again, that will be the southern part of Russell, the central east central part of Cumberland, and the northern part of Clinton County. Again, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect for southern Russell, the northeastern part of Cumberland, and pretty much the central part of Clinton County. That's in effect until 11:15 this evening. You can see the line of showers and thunderstorms as they have developed and continue to move into the Lake Cumberland Green River area. If you're in the southern part of Russell County, the strongest part of the storm is now over you, and the Wayne County would also be in line for this thunderstorm if it continues to hold together. Again, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning. This is in effect for the southern part of Russell County. Southern part of Russell County, severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 11:15. This would also include persons in central Clinton and the northeastern part of Cumberland County. This is in response to the storm moving through east at 40 miles per hour. Expect wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour possible with these storms. If anybody has any weather information to pass along to us, we're monitoring our page now, the Facebook page here on the Storm Alert Center. I'd like to remind folks you can feel free to hit the share button and let us know what you're having at your house. See, it's eerie and scary in Pulaski, very hot and lightning. That is pretty much the trend of what we're having here in Russell County. Just a little while ago, it has dropped a little bit in temperature as the rain has passed through. And I agree with you, Whitney. It's an eerie sense of what is going on in the atmosphere. Have another severe thunderstorm warning that's issued, and it's likely to be for Pulaski County. That would be areas to the east of Somerset. That would be moving out of the Pulaski County area. Some of the locations in the path of the storm, again, this will be for Pulaski County. Another storm warning that has been issued. And some of the areas that are in the path of that storm is Highway 461 there in Pulaski County that would take you over to Mount Vernon. Places Highway 934, Highway 80, also down the State Highway 1003, and that 461 corridor. Somerset, you are west of there, so there's no concern at this point for Pulaski County. But again, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning. That would be for areas east of Somerset, moving out of the region. That would be mainly northwestern Laurel and southern Rockcastle. That will be in effect until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Time for those areas. Now, the closer one to home, this will be in effect for the southern part of the county of Russell County. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for there, northeastern Cumberland and central Clinton County. That's in effect until 11:15 Central Time this evening. And one of the things that we would mention about our tornado alert device, there are things. We have another severe thunderstorm warning that's now in effect, and that would be impacting Wayne County. We now have a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wayne County, southwestern Pulaski. This is in effect until 12:30 Eastern Time this morning. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts are possible. Again, this is a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for northern Wayne and southwestern Pulaski County. This is in effect until 12:30 Eastern Daylight Time. That's Wayne County. Stanford and Crab Orchard. Let me look at this and see. I think for the most part, Stanford and Crab Orchard should be. You're not in the warning area. Stanford and Crab Orchard not in the warning. Still a lot of cloud to ground lightning and a lot of heavy rainfall that is occurring. So again, we have a new storm warning. Moving to the east at 40 miles per hour. That would be in effect for northern Wayne and the southwestern Pulaski. And then we have the severe thunderstorm warning for Russell County. That's in effect until 11:15. That would be the southwestern part, northeastern Cumberland, and central Clinton County. This is in effect until 11:15. The other warning for southwestern Pulaski and northern Wayne is in effect until 12:30 Eastern Time this evening. Science Hill area, right now it appears that most of the strongest part of that storm has moved out of the Science Hill Eubank area. You can see as we go into the radar right here is the area of around Eubank, and of course Science Hill would be right there in the same locale, and you can see the strongest part of the storm is now to the north and northeast of you. Even if you are in Somerset, you can see there are rain showers, everything back to your west, but the warnings are in effect for areas east of you. In fact, the strongest part of the storm is exiting Pulaski County as we speak. The only other warning that we have in effect would be for the one for Wayne County and the one for southern Russell, northern Clinton, and Cumberland. And even for Cumberland County, it seems the leading edge of that storm has moved out of Cumberland County. But we still have a storm warning in effect for that area. Now, if you look back toward the west, toward Glasgow and Edmonton, we have another cell that would be moving through the area that would probably impact much of the same region. This is not a warning, but we'll be watching that for the folks in Metcalfe, southern Adair, and the southern part of Russell, northern Cumberland, and Clinton County. We'll see how that holds together as it makes its way through. All right, I have a lot of people saying thank you for the weather coverage, and we all right, I need to send a quick message to someone who is asking a question about the weather. It's very likely. See, we have now lost. Okay, we have reports of power outages in Denmark Estates, and reports starting up again in Columbia with thunder and lightning. Alicia, that is part of that cell that we're looking back to the west. And we're also seeing a little bit of a cell developing in the southeastern part of Greene County that's moving into Adair. Nothing severe at this time, but we do have a lot of activity on the radar. We're going to turn off the special weather statements so you can see where the warnings currently are in effect, and this would be in these areas that we are mentioning. That would be central Clinton County, the northwestern part of Russell County, the northeastern part of Cumberland County, and that's in effect until 11:15 Central Time. Some of the areas include the Desda community, Cartwright, 76 Falls, Aaron, Willis Creek, and the Narville community, as well as the Ida community there in Clinton County. For Wayne County, we have that storm warning in effect. That would be around Monticello, Betsy, and the Fraser community of Wayne County. The strongest part of the storm is now moving out of Pulaski County, and we have a flash flood warning now has been issued. We'll get you some particulars on that, but we do have a flash flood warning, and this will be for the following areas in south central Kentucky. That would be southern Adair, north central Allen, Barron County, Clinton County, Cumberland County, Metcalfe, all of Russell, and the northeastern part of Monroe County under a flash flood warning. That is in effect until 2 a.m. Central Time. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area, and between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen in this area. Just a little over 0.3 of an inch has fallen thus far in Russell Springs here at the Storm Center. And we do have, again, flash flood warning in effect for southern Adair, north central Allen, Barron County, Clinton County, Cumberland, Metcalfe, northeastern Monroe, and Russell County. This is the area of the flash flood warning. That's in effect until 2 a.m. Thursday morning across the area. And what the Weather Service is looking at, and it's the same thing that we mentioned earlier, that line of showers and thunderstorms that are moving through the area around Glasgow, just to the west of Edmonton. And as you can see how those storms begin to track through and show no signs of weakening as far as rainfall, you can tell that folks in, especially at the southern part of the county, very likely could get very interesting along the Cumberland River, down at Creelsboro, Rock House, Union Chapel, Freedom State Park, all of that area under a flash flood warning. That's in effect until 2 o'clock Central Time this Thursday morning. We have severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect as well. We will take a look at those. The storm warnings are in effect for the following locations for another 15 minutes for central Clinton, southwestern Russell, northeastern Cumberland. The storms are moving to the east at 30 miles per hour. Again, a severe thunderstorm expected to affect the Bryan community, the Cartwright community there on 127 in Clinton County, Cumberland City, 76, and Creelsboro. Again, that is a severe thunderstorm warning. That's in effect for southern Russell County. That is in effect until 11:15. So persons in the path of the storm should seek shelter. The severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect for Pulaski County. The strongest part of that storm is now moving out of Pulaski into Rockcastle County, which is out of our coverage area. We also have a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wayne County, southwestern Pulaski. That is in effect until 12:30 Eastern Time this morning. All right, we'd like to remind folks of our weather coverage sponsors, Joe Brown Auto Body in Columbia, 384-0422, the Champion Repair Service, 507-0514, and McKinley Auction, 278-866-6900. Again, this is severe weather coverage here on the Storm Alert Center, serving the Lake Cumberland and the Green River area. We appreciate everybody tuning in this evening. Eric Parmley, what are you having in Wayne County? And whereabouts are you in Somerset? Whitney McChrystal, where are you located? And Eric, what's going on in Wayne County? As far as Casey County, Leah, I don't see anything threatening for you after this line of storms move through. In fact, the western part of Casey County, not a lot going on, and even the special weather statements, they have all expired and moving into areas well east of you. All right, thank you, Mackenzie, and the Nancy community of Pulaski County. That is going to be all clear, mainly just rainfall. The storm warning that was in effect for Pulaski County, that will continue until 12:15. However, the strongest part of that storm is moved out of Pulaski County. We're still watching the cells that are in the southern part of Russell County and back toward Monroe, Cumberland, between Glasgow and Edmonton. Still looking at a line of strong thunderstorms that are moving through with possible wind gusts of up to 50 miles per hour. And now we're having reports that electricity is off in Jamestown. Reporting electricity is off in Jamestown. Brittany, what part of Jamestown are you in? Right in the, are you right in Jamestown? Have reports of cable off. Can anybody provide any information about where the power outage is? Is it in Jamestown and downtown, or can you advise? We would like to be able to know where that you're experiencing the power outages. All right, have lightning and thunder in Adair County, and people with power on KU apparently are without electricity because of this storm that's moved through. The storm warning for Clinton County, we've had some people ask about that. That I believe will. All right, we have just received information. The storm warning for Central Clinton, Southwestern Russell, and Northeastern Cumberland counties, that will expire at 11:15. We have 11:08, but they're saying the storm warning will expire for Central Clinton, Southwestern Russell, and Northeastern Cumberland. That will be allowed to expire as time moves on this evening. We have reports no electricity in the Bryan community, no electricity in the Bryan community of southern Russell County, no electricity in the Bryan community in some areas of Jamestown, reporting that there are no electricity. I'm getting a lot of reports of lightning in Jabez, and that's part of that storm as it moves through Pulaski County. You're looking back toward the south. That's the storms that you're seeing there. we're going to remove the radar data where you can kind of tell the counties and what is affected. We're not going to discuss Pulaski County any further because the strongest part of that storm has moved out of the area, and that storm warning for Pulaski County will expire in about 4 minutes from now, so we're not going to continue to discuss that storm as the strongest part of it has moved out of the area. The storm warning will remain in effect until 12:30 for northern Wayne and southwestern Pulaski County. The storms are still capable of producing wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm warning, that is in effect for central Clinton, southwestern Russell, northeastern Cumberland. That will expire in about 4 minutes. Right now, Whitney, as far as Rockcastle County, you do have a storm warning there in effect for about another 5 minutes or so. The main concern at this point, Whitney, would be cloud to ground lightning, gusty winds, and the possibility of heavy rainfall. Gar Ridge, close to the intersection of 55, 379, no electricity. Brittany, do you know if you have power lines down or what the reason is in that area? Hard rain, wind in the Jabez community. London is, we don't have anything reporting for Laurel County at this point. Let's see, the northwestern part of Laurel was under a warning, but that's expected to expire at 12:15. So we have nothing now for Laurel County. We do have a flash flood warning, and that is for the following areas. We're going to remove the special weather statement and just bring up the flash flood warning. This was issued by the Weather Service about 11 o'clock, about 12 minutes ago. The flash flood warning will be in effect for southern Adair, north central Allen, Barron County, Clinton County, Cumberland, Metcalfe County, northeastern Monroe County, and Russell County. That's in effect until 2 a.m. Central Time. Again, this is a flash flood warning effective from 11 o'clock Central Time this Wednesday evening until 2 a.m. Tomorrow morning on Thursday. Again, that's a flash flood warning. I'll see, for my anxiety, is Casey County in the clear. I don't know if we have any flooding in Casey, in the Salem community. Let's see, Casey County. Casey County should be clear. We're going to look at the radar real quick. A lot going on here in the Weather Center. We can look at Casey County. The latest radar imagery shows the strongest part is well to the east of you, and probably will be all clear. There's nothing back to the west, but down to the south, we do have that flash flood warning that will expire at 2 o'clock on Thursday morning. And you can see the training thunderstorms as they continue to put down a lot of rainfall. Right now, almost 4/10 of an inch of rain has fallen. And we continue to have a lot of cloud to ground lightning, even back off to the south and the southeast, looking here in the Storm Alert Center. Well, somebody asked something about can't believe nobody else is covering the weather. We don't see anything severe moving through later tonight. And we try to stay up in line with the latest weather information. Science Hill and Pulaski clear. I'm going to say, look at the radar real quickly for that area. There's no warnings in effect for Pulaski County. Let's give it just a little bit. Now, the warning for Pulaski County has been allowed to expire. As you can see that as it moves through, the storm warning for Pulaski County has been allowed to expire. The storm warning for Russell County, that has been allowed to expire. And now the only warning that we have in effect is the one for Wayne County. And as we look at the track of those storms, it appears that the strongest part is now in the eastern part of Wayne County. That will remain in effect for about another 15 minutes. That'll be for Wayne County and Pulaski County. Northern Wayne, Southwestern, Pulaski County, severe thunderstorm warning, moving to the east at 35 miles per hour, affecting Steubenville, Betsy, and the Fraser community. Heavy rain now moving into the Storm Alert Center. We went from 0.38 inches of rain to 0.44 inches in about a minute, less than a minute. Absolutely pouring here in Russell Springs. Heavy rainfall, and again, a flash flood warning does remain in effect for this area until 2 a.m. Central Time. And now we have almost 1/2 of an inch of rain. It is absolutely coming a flood here at the Storm Alert Center as we monitor the weather. Temperatures now 74 degrees. We will have a 1/2 inch probably before 11:20 this evening, because it is absolutely coming a flood here in the area. McCreary County is clear. Wayne County, probably some heavy rainfall will continue as we watch these storms move through. All right, all an inch of rain has fallen in the last, since midnight last night, and about almost 3/10 of an inch of rain has fallen in the last little bit here in the weather center. Expect continued rainfall throughout the evening. Again, there's an area that's under a flash flood warning, and Wayne County remains in effect for a severe thunderstorm warning, and that will be until 12:30, about another 10 minutes or so from now. Got rain coming down in Wayne County, lots of rain. See, I'm 4 miles east of Casey County line on the highway. Heavy rain at the moment. Thunder and lightning east to southeast of my location. Christy, we do appreciate your report and everybody's report as they come in. Now, I was going to mention something about the tornado alert device. We've had a lot of people, including myself, that are indicating. Someone said that we had lost connection. I I don't think that we have, but are we still on? I'm sure that we are. It's showing that we are active here to the person that sent me a message saying that we were off, that we had lost signal. But I think we are on the air. I don't think that we are off. All right, so under the storm warning, the strongest part of that cell has moved out of Wayne into the extreme into the northern part of McCreary County. That's where the strongest part of the storm is now. That's exited Pulaski County. The main threat that we have is currently going to be heavy rainfall, and that is what has prompted a flash flood warning to be issued. All right, so let me go back and tell you what about the tornado alert device, and we have everybody reporting that severe storm. They also report tornado risk, and that is typical for the same tags that the National Weather Service issues out of Louisville. And with the intense lightning that we've had, long updrafts that we're showing in the thunderstorm, it is likely that the environment is primed for that type of activity. And we do remind folks that we have different types of ways to get warnings and to get weather data. And the tornado alert device is one of those ways. And we stand firm that they are truthful, and we do appreciate all of those people who monitor them. And this has been a potentially rough night across the area for people. We have power outages, and we're going to try to learn if we have trees down or if there's any type of damage expected to move through. All right, that's a new name for me. Rejoanna Smith is asking how long this storm is going to last. Where are you from? I know that for the most part, Pulaski is in the clear. For the most part, the storms are moving out of the area. But if you're in that southern part near the Kentucky-Tennessee line, and I'll give you the counties on the warning, we have a flash flood warning. That would be for southern Adair, north central Allen, for Barron, Clinton, Cumberland, Metcalfe, northeastern Monroe, and Russell County. That's in effect until 2 a.m. Central Time. The severe thunderstorm warning, that is in effect for northern Wayne, southwestern Pulaski. That will remain in effect for about another 6 minutes from now. And looking back to the west, you can see additional rainfall that is moving in. We have reports of heavy rainfall, and Rock House Bottom, the power is out. All right, after the messages expire, or after it goes down, I can't bring them back up until after the event is over with. So the person that goes by the name of Renee and lives in Nancy, folks, for the most part, Pulaski County would be in the clear, and we have no special weather statements in effect for Pulaski County. All right, severe weather coverage this evening. We want to say a big thank you to Joe Brown's Auto Body Repair. They're located in Columbia. Joe Brown, a big supporter and sponsor of the Storm Alert Weather Center by Champion Service and Repair. The number to call there is 270-507-0514. And a McKinley Auction Company. You have a need for an auctioneer. If you want to list your property, sell it, whatever, call McKinley Auction at 866-6900, 270-866-6900. Sponsors for severe weather coverage here from the Storm Alert Weather Center. We have reports on Maple Street, heavy rainfall, strong lightning. That would be reported by my good friend Darren Russell. Does a fine job of reporting all around the county, and I definitely appreciate that. No power in Jamestown and Gar Ridge, and a lot of heavy rainfall that is occurring on Highway 206. Have reports of no electricity in the Eubank community of northern Pulaski. Sarah, I don't know. Sarah Darnell asked about the time frame on the storm. I don't know where you are. If you can see the radar, most of the area is beginning to see the warnings expire. Of course, back into eastern Kentucky, you can see additional warnings that are issued around Jackson County, Breathitt County, some of those regions in eastern Kentucky having storm warnings in effect. But the only one that we have now that would be close to home is the one for Wayne County, and that's expected to expire in about 3 minutes from now. You can see on Doppler radar the storm has moved out of that area. The strongest part is now east of Monticello and crossing into McCreary County. All right, Lori asked about Adair County. I'm going to do a breakdown and give everybody a report of what we can expect. Right now we have nothing severe for Adair County. Rainfall is the main threat. The southern part of Adair County is under a flash flood warning. That would be the flash flood warning for the southern part of Adair County in response to training thunderstorms that are moving through the area between Glasgow and Edmonton, just east of the I-65 corridor. We have, again, a flash flood warning. That is in effect until 2 o'clock Central Time. The storm warning for Wayne County and the southern part of Pulaski County has been allowed to expire. Wayne and Pulaski County, that severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire, and there's no special weather statement ahead of that. Anything else further from here would be out of our coverage area. But we have, again, a flash flood warning in effect for parts of south central Kentucky. We're going to go ahead and call clear for the following areas: Adair, Casey, Clinton, Wayne County, As far as severe weather, that Cumberland, Russell, Southern Adair, Clinton, and back toward the northern part of Monroe County, over in Tompkinsville, they are all under a flash flood warning, and that is in effect until 2 a.m. on Thursday morning. Let's see. We have a new statement issued for Pulaski County, and I think that is going to be a flash flood warning. That's going to be for Wayne County. That is the new warning that's issued. These are flood warnings, not severe thunderstorm warnings. These are flash flood warnings, and I'm going to remove the radar data, and we're going to end our coverage here in just a few moments. But I think that we will need to mention for the final time the latest warnings that are in effect, and this would be flash flood warnings. Now, this first flash flood warning was issued at 11 o'clock this evening, about 30 minutes ago. It was issued for Southern Adair, the north central part of Allen County, Barron, Clinton, Cumberland, Metcalfe, northeastern Monroe, and Russell County. That's in effect until 2 a.m. Central Time this evening. Again, for Southern Adair, north central Allen County, Barron County, Clinton, Cumberland, Metcalfe, northeastern Monroe, and Russell County. That's in effect until 2 a.m. This will be a flash flood warning. We also have another flash flood warning that's expected to expire at 3:30 Eastern, 2:30 Central. That was issued just a moment ago. And this would be in effect for McCreary County, for Wayne County, and Western Whitley. This is in effect until 3:30 Eastern this Thursday morning. That area over in that Russell County and Clinton all is involved in, we have seen quite a bit of rainfall here in Russell Springs. There's been between an inch, 2.5 inches of rain that has fallen to our west. That would include Burkesfield, the Crillsboro Rock House area, Glasgow, between 1 to 2.5 inches. And we can expect maybe up to 1 to 2 inches more before everything is out of the area. Reports coming in to us from Wayne and McCreary County, between 1 and 2 inches have fallen so far very quickly. And you could see 1 inch of rain additional as these storms move through. And we have, again, no warnings in effect for any of the area except the flash flood warnings. That is the only place that we have warnings in effect. Some of the precipitation totals, as we have reports coming in, Metcalfe is reporting 1.67 inches of rain has fallen. Adair County reporting in with just about an inch. We are at 0.67 tenths of an inch, and here in Russell County at the Storm Alert Center, Adair County now reporting in an inch, and is still continuing to rain in that area. The Kentucky Mesonet site is continuing to show heavy rainfall across the area. It's very strange. Areas to the north of us, that would include areas north of Boyle County, up around the I-64 corridor, reporting no precipitation at some of their weather stations there across the region. All right, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and show you again, the warnings that are in effect for flash floods. That's what you're seeing right now on the radar, the flash flood warnings. The special weather statements, they all remain to the east. And as far as severe thunderstorm warnings, they are now centered over in eastern Kentucky. That would be, I believe, if my geography is correct, around Owsley and Jackson County and Clay County. I believe that would be the areas that have storm warnings in effect, but those are all moving out of our area. So the only warnings that we have is the flash flood warnings, and those are the ones that we mentioned just now. That's impacting those counties in our coverage area. And I'll repeat those one more time. Southern Adair, North Central Allen, Barron County, Clinton, Cumberland, Metcalfe, Northeastern Monroe, and Russell. That's in effect until 2 a.m. We also have a flood warning that's in effect for Wayne County, Western Whitley, and McCreary County. That's in effect until 3:30 Eastern Time on Thursday morning. With that being said, we want to say a big thank you for all the people that's tuned in this evening and listening on the Storm Alert Center. We do appreciate everybody for following us, and apparently there's nobody else on doing weather, so here we are out here by our lonesome, reporting power outages through the area. Don't know exactly where all the places are, but I know we have some down on 55. We have reports of Jamestown without power, and different areas reporting no electricity this evening, even down in the Rock House Bottom. I think the electricity is out there as well. So thank you all for tuning in to the Storm Alert Weather Center. We appreciate your support and your confidence, and we will catch you the next time that bad storms move through. On behalf of Storm Anchor Keith Richardson, I'm lead forecaster Daniel Wilson from the Storm Alert Center saying thank you all for tuning in. Go to sleep, get a good rest, and God bless.